What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited. It's starting to get cold. I was gonna say it's Halloween, but it's Halloween month, you know, it's October. So I'm really excited to create this Halloween makeup. I'm gonna be doing a skeleton. It's like way out of my comfort zone, but I'm absolutely loving these skeleton faces, so I'm gonna try my own. I have some makeup on already, so those products, my face makeup, I'll leave that link down below. I feel like this video is going to take a while. I'm going to be doing parts of it and then speeding up some just so that it's not forever long. So let's get on with the video. My favorite color is pink, so I'm going to be going with pink, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of some rhinestones. So let's see how this goes. I have, like I said, my foundation and stuff on. I'm going to just I'll start with the eyes, kind of like in his video. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution chocolate elixir palette because it's got some really pretty pinks in it. So I'm going to be using this palette. I'm going to go in with, if you're curious to see all the colors and swatches, I actually just put that video up. It's my Ulta haul, so go check that out because I don't want to make this video longer than it is. I'm going to be going in first with Bubblegum, which is that very bright pink one in the corner. Where's my brush? Here we go. And I'm just going to make my eyes pink and pop. I'm going to go in with this red maroon color. It's called Pink Icing. I'm going to go on top with that one. I think after this I'll be done. Like I said, I just wanted a little bit of pink. So I'm going to do that to the other eye real quick. Okay, so what I did off camera was just finish up the eyes. I did the same thing that I did to this one to this eye. The only thing that you didn't see was I added this shade Creme Brulee on top, which is this really pretty shimmery shade right here. And then I just put some eyeliner on. So now I'm going to start etching out the face. I think I'm going to start off with, I'm looking at a picture of one right now. So it'll be easier for me to kind of just follow the image. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to start. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to start with the pencil and then line it with the liquid just because I feel like that'll be easier. I'm really glad that this white doesn't stand out too much. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. So I'm glad that this white doesn't stand out too much just because, you know, if you make a mistake, it's okay. You can probably very easily blend that out. And now I'm going to get my little baby hairs out the way. I'm going to, at my jawline, I put these earrings on, but I'm gonna have to take them off. They are Kylie Jenner's hoops, and I'm absolutely loving them. I love big hoops right now, but they're getting in the way, so they have to come off. So I'm just going to go at my jawline. Hard for you guys to see. It probably just looks like some concealer on my lips. I'm going to do the other side real quick and then outline it all. I'll do the other side real quick off camera, and then I'm gonna do a speedy version outlining it all with the liquid. So I'm using a NYX white liquid liner. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and go over, make it as even as possible. now I have the teeth done and it kind of etched out. I'm going to start adding some pink. So I'm going to be using the black from the Too Faced Cat Eyes palette, this Panther color right here, to kind of etch out the skeleton face. I have some MAC Fix Plus I'm going to be spraying along just so I can really neon things out. But first I'm just going to start with this black shadow. I don't think I'm going to even need any spray or anything. This is so weird, just putting shadow on your face. I want it to actually look, I want it to come out good, so I really hope this turns out right. Using a brush from the Naked 2 palette just to kind of fill everything in, and then I'm going to get a more precise brush to get a little bit closer to the white. That way I don't mess up the white. I'm using an eyeshadow instead of face paint. I think it's gonna be easier not only to work with, but face paint would definitely, whew! I haven't actually seen what it looks like on camera, that's crazy. Face paint, I don't know, I just didn't really want to use face paint. So of course my camera died. I am looking a little more skeleton-y. So the only thing I did off camera was spray this brush with some MAC Fix Plus and really just get in there so I can make it look a little bit darker and define that black. So what I'm now doing is I'm taking a little, it's called Smoky Eye. It's a brush from the drugstore, and I'm just going inside of the teeth. I will re-outline all of this, but that was my base to have the teeth. I feel like I made the teeth a little bit too high. But oh well, we're gonna keep working with it. I'll re-outline everything, make my teeth a little bit lower. So now that I have everything kind of outlined, I'm going to start going in with the pink. I'm going to keep the black just in case. I have this eyeshadow pigment, this is just loose eyeshadow, and it is the shade Booming, and it's from NYX, and this is really pretty, like, dark. Right. So I'm going to use this kind of like flat shader, I guess. I don't know. It's a really tiny brush. I'm going to spray that with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to go kind of like outline where the white is just to give it that pink look. I feel like this part might take a little bit, so I'm going to just speed it up. Using a eyebrow brush, a really defined one, to try and get the pink inside where the teeth is. And I'm going to outline it again in a white. I really just want to get like, just get the pink tone right there. I think I'm going to make the pink a little bit more noticeable. That way whenever I outline it in white again, I'll have pink outside of the white. So I'm going to just go on top again with the pink and just make it a little thicker. Okay, I feel like I'm going to stop there. I can't get it anymore. I can keep going on for days. I'm going to outline again with that white on top of where the pink is to kind of just define it and give it a little bit more of like that neon effect. I'm going to put some lashes on real quick and I'll be right back. What's up, beauties? I'm back. I have the look complete. I'm actually pretty impressed with how it turned out. I feel like it's very scully. So I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray. What I really wanted to do, I'm going to add some rhinestones just because I felt like that would look so cute. We're going to put some rhinestones on real quick. This might actually be my Halloween look. Don't know yet. I got these rhinestones from Hobby Lobby. I just want to put a few on just because I feel like rhinestones complete any look. I think my eyebrow's itching. I can feel that I have a lot of makeup on. I just like rhinestones. Yay. So this is the completed look. It is my skull with pink. So I'm pretty impressed with how the look turned out. I've never done a skull or really Halloween makeup other than probably painting my entire face orange or green, you know, as a witch or a pumpkin. But I'm pretty impressed with how the look turned out. I have all the teeth in my teeth. I have the teeth. I have the pink outlines and I edged it out a little bit in white. I added the rhinestone just because I thought that would be super cute to just put some rhinestones on. But that is my skeleton look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Press the cute pink subscribe button over there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Playing with, especially that it's like fall. It's definitely going to be a fun one. And then this foundation, now that it's been setting